Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect YouTube Music to Discord status. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To do this, you'll need to use a tool called Pre-Mid, which allows Discord to display what you're currently listening to or watching as your activity status. First, search for Pre-Midi in your web browser and open its official website. Once you're there, click on the Get Started button. The website will guide you through the installation process. Next, select Add to Browser or Chrome and install the extension for the browser you are using. Pre-Mid supports several popular browsers, so choose the one that matches your setup. After the extension is installed, open your browser's extensions menu and locate Pre-Mid. Click on it and make sure the extension is enabled. You may also need to grant the required permissions so it can communicate with Discord and detect your activity. Once the extension is active, you'll be prompted to connect your Discord account. Click on Link Discord account and follow the authorization process. A Discord page will open asking you to approve the connection. Click Authorize to complete the linking process. After your Discord account is connected, open YouTube Music and start playing any song. As long as Pre-Mid is running and properly connected, your listening activity should appear on your Discord profile and status automatically. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect YouTube Music to Discord status. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.